Hello guys, in this video I will compare Claude Code and VS Code agent mode to help you decide which AI assisted workflow is better in 2025. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, their AI capabilities. Claude Code excels in understanding large code bases, offering natural language explanations, and writing clean, readable code. It is great at contextual reasoning and explaining logic. VS Code Agent Mode, on the other hand, which is integrated with GitHub Copilot and other extensions, focuses on in-editor suggestions and real-time completions. Number 2, user experience. Claude Code works in a conversational style, which is ideal for step-by-step tasks and complex debugging, while VS Code Agent Mode is simplest inside the IDE, allowing instant suggestions as you type, making it feel like an AI pair programmer. Number 3, file and project handling. Claude handles full project files through its chat, which is useful for understanding architecture and dependencies, while VS Code Agent Mode interacts directly with your open files and local project structure, offering real-time guidance as you code. Number 4, their customizability and extensions. VS Code Agent Mode benefits from the entire VS Code extension ecosystem, allowing highly customized workflows, while Cloud is more of a closed-loop AI assistant with fewer customization options, but it has deep understanding of code context. So for final verdict, you can use Claude Code if you are working with complex logic that you need code refactoring or you want to learn as you go. And you can use VS Code Agent Mode if you prefer fast, fluid in editor coding with minimal interruptions. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.